There's also more we can do with variables. You can see that it shows it on the screen, but let's say I didn't want to, I can hide it. So if I hid the variable, now you don't see it, but I could also show the variable, and now we see it. So this way on the screen you can see it. Another option we have is to change it. So of course you could set it to any value you want, but you can also change it. Let's say I only wanted to change it to go up by 1. So here after it changes it, it goes up, now it's 6. If I wanted it to go down, I can put a -1, negative, and now it goes to 4. I went down by 1. You can also use a variable. We only have one variable here, but you can put in a variable. Well, when you set something or change it, you can change it to a variable. So let's say we're changing n, instead of going up by 1, it's going to go up by n. So if it's 5 and goes up by 5, what is 5 plus 5, guys? 10. So you can do it by a variable as well. Or you can put in any value. You can put in any value you want here. 1, 2, go up by 2. So you have a lot of options you can play with in the variables.